In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change canvas interaction settings when the spacebar is pressed on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the edit item up in the toolbar, and then go down and select preferences. You want to go ahead and select versus canvas interaction. And then on the right versus spacebar, when spacebar is pressed, click the drop down and you can select either no action, pan view, or switch to move tool. And then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.